a place where different rules apply. The story starts when strangers arrive to explore what makes this world alive. The setting is the star tonight, not the hero's quest or inner fight. We're tourists in a foreign land, trying hard to understand. Milieu, it's the world we're in, the environment where stories begin. It starts with arrival, ends when we leave. The place itself is what we believe. Milieu, let the world unfold. Every corner has a tale to be told. Like Alice falling down the hole into Wonderland, strange regime, or Dorothy swept by the storm to Oz where nothing's as it seems. Gulliver wakes on foreign shores among the tiny Lilliput. The milieu structure always soars when fish out of water meets the cut. Milieu, it's the world we're in, the environment where stories begin. It starts with arrival, ends when we leave. The place itself is what we believe. Milieu, let the world unfold. Every corner has a tale to be told. Card said the pattern's clear to see. When someone enters strange and free, they learn the customs, laws, and ways through weeks or months or years of days. But when they've seen all there is to know, or found their pathway home to go, the milieu story finds its end. The world has taught the lessons penned in science fiction's distant stars.